Hi, boys and girls. I'm Miss Massey, and I'll be your teacher this week. Today, we are going to focus in on a book called Dot Likes to Dig, and that has a special vowel sound in it called short I. We're going to spend some time reading some short I words and also looking for short I words in the book Dot Likes to Dig. After we read our book together, I'd like for you to read it one more time. You can read it to yourself, you can read it to a special friend, or you can read it to one of your favorite toys. After that, I'd like for you to do one practice page in your packet. After you do your practice page, then you'll come back and you'll have a wonderful Heggerty lesson. And what that will be, it's almost like a game where the teacher's going to ask you to do something. She'll ask you to say some silly words. She'll ask you to change some sounds in some words. She may even ask you to do some really fun hand movements. So as you do those things, enjoy learning to read today. I'm so excited for you. All right, let's review our vowel sounds because that's what this book is going to focus in on today. This one is the letter A. The sound letter A makes is ah. When it's all by itself, it makes the sound ah. Ready? Ah, ah, apple. Your turn. Very good. This next letter is E, and E makes the sound eh when it's all by itself. Eh, eh, egg. Your turn. Next vowel is the letter I, and it makes the sound I. I, igloo. Your turn. Very nice. Next vowel sound is the letter U, and the sound it makes is umbrella. Your turn. Very nice. And finally, the letter is O, and the sound is octopus. Your turn. Very nice. Now I want to talk to you about what I mean when I say it's by itself. Look at this word, dig. D-I-G. D-I-G. Dig. Notice the letter I is in the middle. It's between two consonants, and it's all by itself. There's not another vowel or the letter E right here because it would make a different sound. So this sound is I. Let's say it together. I. And let's sound this word out. D-I-G. Dig. Very good. Next word. Tip. T-I-P. Tip. T-I-P. Tip. And again, notice the letter I is the only vowel in this word. There's not another vowel here or the letter E. Otherwise, it would probably make another sound. This word is T-I-P. Tip. Let's look at one more word that has the short I sound in it. P-I-G. P-I-G. What is that word? Pig. Very good. And see, it has that short I in the middle. There's no letter E at the end or another vowel. Let me show you what happens when we have a letter E at the end. It changes the sound of the word to make that vowel say its name. We're not going to talk a whole lot about that today. We'll talk about that another time. But this word would sound out like this. L-I-K. L-I-K. What's this word? Like. Very good. Now, this is one of those words that you're going to see a lot. It's called a high frequency word or a sight word, and you're going to see it a lot in today's book, but you'll also see it a lot in other books that you read. So you may just want to try to remember this word, like. But remember that you can sound it out, and the I says its name because of that special E at the end. Okay, so today we're really going to be focusing in on, you'll see the word like, but I want us to spend some time really decoding or sounding out the words with the short I sound in the middle of two consonants. So this one is p, I, g, pig. One more time for the next word. Tip, t, ip, tip. And finally, we have big, b, I, g, big. All right, let's go ahead and start the book. Dot likes to dig. Right. Oh, let's talk a little bit about this book. This is the front of the book. The front of the book, and I know it's the front of the book because it has the title, Dot Likes to Dig, and it's written by Laura Appleton Smith and illustrated by Meg McLean. Usually on the front cover of a book, they have the title, the author, and an illustrator. And notice I see that short I word, dig. Dot likes to dig. I'm going to point on each word because that's something good readers do. Dot naps on the mat. There's Dot. She's napping on the mat. What a good dog. Tip tap, tip tap. Oh, wonder where Dot's going. And I do see that short I word. It, tip, tip tap, tip tap. Dot likes to dig and dig. I like to dig. Uh-oh, she's digging now. And that short I word again, dig, dig. Dot likes to dig and dig. I like to dig. Dot likes socks. Tip tap, tip tap. Dig, dig, dig. Dot likes pigs. Tip tap, tip tap. Dig, dig, dig. Wow, I noticed that word likes does come up quite a bit, doesn't it? She likes the mat. Oh, look at that. I can't see the mat. My pig, my socks. Dot sits on top. Oh my. Oh, whoa, look, I see another short I word. Sits. It. Sits. Wow, it has two consonants. And now, so that makes four sounds, but it still says a short vowel sound. Sits. It. Sits. And that's because it doesn't have a vowel next. It has another consonant. Dan is not mad. It is okay, Dot. I am not mad. That's the end of the book. All right. So now we're going to read it one more time, and you're going to echo after me, and then we are going to sound out a few of those short I words we find on some pages. Dot likes to dig. This is the title, and I'd like you to repeat it, please, or echo after me. Dot likes to dig. Your turn. And I'll just point to each word when it's your turn. Dot naps on the mat. Your turn. Nice job. Tip tap, tip tap. Your turn. Now let's sound out that word. Ip, tip. Your turn. Nice job. Dot likes to dig and dig. I like to dig. Your turn. Now let's sound out this word. Dig, dig. Your turn. Good, we'll see that word quite a bit. Dot likes socks. Tip tap, tip tap. Dig, dig, dig. Your turn. Nice job. Next, Dot likes pigs. Tip tap, dig, dig, dig. Your turn. Nice. Now let's look back at this word pigs. It actually now has 4 sounds. P, I, G, S. Pigs. Very nice. She likes the mat. Your turn. Okay. I can't see the mat. My pig, my socks. Your turn. Dot sits on top. Oh my, that page always makes me laugh. Your turn. Nice job. Dan is not mad. It is okay, Dot. I am not mad. Your turn. Good. Next. Yes, Dot likes her man, Dan, and Dot likes socks. Your turn. The end. Very nice. Now it's just time for you to reread this book by yourself and know that you don't have to read it as quickly as you and I read it today. You can read it slowly if you'd like, and then get faster and faster every time that you read the book. Nice job. And then remember that today you're going to do page 1 in your packet and then come back and you're going to hear your teacher read, your next teacher read Haggerty. I'll see you tomorrow, guys, and I want you to have a fantastic day. Bye.